In this video, we are going to be chasing after some largemouth bass and possibly go catch some sunfish out of a pond, a little private pond near our neighborhood. So we're going to go see if we can't catch a couple bass and have a good time. And stay tuned and we'll see what happens. What's up, guys? We just caught one on the micro chatterbait. Make some more casts right back in here. Let's see if I can't get another one. I was like instantly when I got hit. Oh, got one. I got another one. Yeah, just a little guy. Little guy on the micro chatterbait. We got Soren over there. Little guy.
Thanks.
Got another one. Little guy. Oh, came off. Get your butt over here. About a 1 ouncer. Oh, let him go. Make another cast because there's so many fish back here. Soren, just keep casting right back in there. I've seen it now. Oh, it's not a bad fish at all. There's a bunch of 1 to 2 pounders sitting back there. Make some casts over in the front side. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. All right. All right, guys, we're walking over to the middle of the pond. Hopefully we don't get talked to by any people, and we're gonna go see if we can catch something that's a little bit bigger. What?
Didn't you talk to them last time?
Yeah.
It's fine to go through
Yeah,
there?
yeah. So we pretty much have permission to go through someone's yard, so we're gonna go try it out. I just caught one on the mini chatterbait, a little tiny baby bass. We're gonna make a couple casts back in over here. Got one. Oh no, came off. Well, they're liking the mini chatterbait. The trailer is kind of falling off here, but still working. So let's see if we can't get one right here. Oh, that's a good cast right back in there. Oh, I had one, I think, when it was falling. Oh man, missed him again. That got pretty far out there. Oh. Oh boy, am I missing them. They're hitting it. Fix the trailer. I think they're just little ones biting the end of it. Let's see. There we go. Alright. Oh, there we go. Just caught a couple more on the mini chatterbait. Changed up the trailer. Let's see if I can't get another one right on that weed line. Let's see here. There's one. Oh, missed him. Got him. I think my drag might be a little bit too loose. Bunch of little guys so far. They're choking this thing though. That thing is fully hooked down there. Jesus. Soren, look at the worm in this guy's mouth. There we go. This right here. To get this right here, let's see. The worm is just about as big as him, so, yep. Alright guys, we just got the biggest one of the day. Solid fish on the wacky rig. I switched up to get a nice release on this fish. There she goes. Just got another nice one on the wacky rig. He's a little skinny, but a nice fish still. Let him go. Had the perfect hook set on him. My worm fell off right there, so I'm gonna get that back and keep fishing. Yeah, the wacky rig's doing pretty good. Got the worm, so re-rig this on there. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. So we're gonna keep fishing over in this spot for a little bit longer. There's some decent fish that we've been catching. So, yeah, the action of my worm, pretty good. So we're gonna see if we can't hook it to another big one. Oh yeah, guys, just got another nice one here. That's a solid fish. Thanks for landing it. On the wacky rig. It's about a 1.5. So we're gonna let this guy go. There we go. That is the biggest fish of the day. 100%. Soren over here struggling to catch a fish. We've been using the same thing for the past hour, and he's just been unlucky. Alright guys, little update. We went and fished for some green sunfish. Soren caught one little one. So now we're heading back to the deck to change up our lures and get some bass stuff, and we're gonna go fish the middle of the pond. This guy got a pretty nice one.
Oh yeah.
And that made it so he doesn't get skunked anymore, so.
Yeah, I can't catch any bass, but I can catch these damn impossible to catch green sunfish.
Yeah, so we are gonna go to the middle of the pond and hopefully catch a nice bass. Alright guys,
So loud.
we're heading over to the middle of the pond, and we got some glow-in-the-dark Senkos, so hopefully we can hook into something big. Alright guys, we just hooked up on our first fish back over here. Whew, this water is warm. I can feel it on the fish. On the glow-in-the-dark wacky rig. Let this guy go. Got one?
Yep.
Soren's got one on the chartreuse glow-in-the-dark wacky rig.
Yes.
Finally, first bass he got. There we go. So, yeah. Oh. Alright, well, there we go.
We got one. Maybe a 1/3 pounder or so.
Yeah.
Maybe 2/3.
Yeah.
Too big.
Alright, well, we're gonna keep fishing. Oh, I just missed one, guys. Glow-in-the-dark Senko's working pretty good. What's up, guys? I'm not sure if you can see anything. Oh, that hurt. I caught one on the glow-in-the-dark wacky rig. I'm not sure if you can see that, but decent little bass. And it is currently 9 o'clock right now, and
here I'm using the whopper plopper.
He's using a whopper plopper, and yep, there we go. Alright guys, we're leaving right now. It's like 9:10, so pretty good day of fishing. We fished quite a while. I mean, I probably caught 20 bass. Soren caught what, one or two?
One or two bass.
One or two bass and a green sunfish. So pretty good day of fishing out here at the private pond. And we might go hit up a local golf course tomorrow.
That's where we caught 50 each.
Yeah, that's where we caught 100 fish combined the other day. So thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.